Hi guys, this is Kumar here again from Coding Scientist. So in the previous previous lesson, I demonstrated the power of voice commands and how we could control two different servo motors and at the same time parallelly using multi-threading for parallel processing so that we can activate the camera and visualize the images as well. So in this lesson, this video, let's move into the OpenCV aspect. We are going to use the computer vision, which is OpenCV. The syntax is CV2. So color detection. Color detection is one of the most fundamental, basic and practical function in computer vision. In this video, we will use step-by-step code and explanation to detect red objects using HSV color space and draw a bounding box in green color. So it's going to be pretty interesting. So this forms the foundation of more advanced object tracking techniques, for example cam shift. Okay, and then the basic objective of course is to use the Pi camera 2 to capture the real-time camera frames and convert the image from BGR to HSV color space. So let's look into the code aspects and we will move on to the next level. Alright, let me show you the code. So it's pretty much about 75, 85, 95, 96 lines of code. It's pretty interesting. Though it's lengthy, that's because of the space I given in between. So anyways, now let me just break down this code into multiple sections and give you a kind of high level explanation. So the initial, we are going to initiate the importing the libraries. That is the first section of the code. So what's going to happen here when we import the libraries from Pi camera 2, we are importing the CV2 as well, which is computer vision, NumPy, and the time dot, which is basically required for ton loads of other stuff which you will see now. So initializing the Pi 2 camera, which starts basically the streaming of the live video. This basically configures the camera at 640 into 480. That's the window size, and starts the preview stream, which is XRGB8888, is a 4-channel format. So the captured frames are in BGRA like, right? Now convert the captured frame to a format OpenCV, which is commonly used frame underscore BGRA equal to PiCam2.capture array, right? So the Pi camera 2 returns a 4-channel image here so that we convert it into a standard 3-channel BGR for processing. And then we move on to using HSV color space for robust color detection. So in this case, it's going to be red color. Now the HSV separates the color from brightness, which makes color detection more stable and under different lighting. Let's move on to the next section, which is defining two HSV ranges for red, which is mask 1 equal to CV2, mask 2 and mask. So basically the red wraps around the hue scale in OpenCV HSV, which is almost close to 0 and 180. So the two ranges are combined to cover all different types of reds, and then clean the mask with morphology, which basically reduces the noise and fills the hole around the red object itself. And then we find the red regions and filter the small blobs, which is basically in the for loop for CNT in contours, right? Where is it? Let me just scroll it down. Here, this particular section. Okay, here the contours are basically detected from the binary mask, which is MIN underscore area, ignores the small red regions to reduce any kind of false detection around the red object. And then we are drawing the bounding box in a green color and then label that as a result image. We need to annotation. It's a pretty critical task in any of the AI computer vision based projects or deep learning projects, right? So this shows where OpenCV is found red objects and then prints the detected blob area for reference. Alright, and then finally we press Q to quit and close the window. So that's the end. Now let's run this program and see how it works. Alright, so let me move on to my circuit screen or the Raspberry Pi screen. So let me open it up. Okay, now let me open the terminal. Alright, let me just drag it little bit on top. Okay, so here the camera is set up. Just this camera is facing towards my face. I can leave it as it is for time being. So I'm going to use this screwdriver, which has got black as well as red tip on the top. So when I show this in front of the camera, the red color has to be detected and the green bounding box. So let's try and run this code. CD, I need to get into my directory, just CD squiggly, oops, what's happening, CD space squiggly / AI lab kit, like this, and then / we need to open CV _ Python, and I am into the main directory. Now let me open the source code, Python 3 CV _ 4 _ color.py. I hope it works. Hit enter. It's running. So I can see there's a camera image right behind me. Let me just drag that window. Right, there you go. I hope you guys can see this. Let me just drag it to the left. Alright, now I am sitting in front of the Raspberry Pi camera. Okay, I am going to take out this red object, which is the screwdriver consisting of black and red tip on top. Okay, there you go. You can see red tip on top of the screwdriver is detected as a red area equal to 1,5. This is the angle, this is the X and Y axis. As I move around the red object, perfectly it detects along. Now imagine guys, if we are able to do a pan and tilt within this particular project, detecting red color or any other color we can define, and then the pan and tilt mechanism, the robotic mechanism tilts accordingly. That's going to be an interesting project which I'm going to cover in the next lesson. It's pretty interesting. Okay. Alright, now to exit out of this program, we need to press Q. Alright, there it is. So this project is a pretty simple and interesting project, but it's very powerful in terms of deep learning. We are covering the entire AI aspect using OpenCV. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next lesson. I'm going to cover quite a lot of interesting projects. Goodbye.